I got a order of orchids from Exotic Orchids of Maui, and I will do an unboxing as soon as Pinto gets off my box. Maybe this is a good time to abandon the box, Pinto. You don't need to defend it. Okay, so Pinto has finally gotten off the box, but now I have a kitten. Thankfully, the kitten is not 17 pounds of fat cat. She's easier to move. So let's unbox this. I am currently trying to get Cerulean Cattleyas. So this order was mostly to get some species. Not all Cerulean Cattleyas. Mostly the Brazilian ones. And let's see, the package came FedEx. I'm losing, I have to fight a kitten to get her nose slashed. But so this order is from Exotic Orchids of Maui. Come here, kitten. Can we open it now? And no, we can't open it. Don't slash your nose, kitteny. Alright, yes, Cerulean Cattleyas. I don't want all of them. I am just interested in the Brazilian ones. I think there are some Brazilian types. So there's a Gutata in here, which I don't think is blue. And then I got a Clandier, which is supposed to be a 4N, and I got a Flammea leopoldii. So we'll have to see if the Gutata ended up being very large. And here's Pinto. Pinto, you know there's a box here for you. Can you get in your box? No, no, don't claw this. Pinto, your large butt is not needed in the camera view. So these are small. Exotic Orchids of Maui stuff is always small. And they're taped in here. Yes, kitten. So I should note that this is Skitty, and she's a foster cat that we're allowing out because she's the last kitten that's left. She's almost 5 months old now, and she's still available for adoption through the Specialty Purebred Cat Rescue. Should anybody be looking for a calico domestic short hair that is very inquisitive and likes to take part in things. Her mother's also still available for adoption. And Pinto, stop going for the phone. I know you understand screens. You're smart. All right. Oh gosh, it looks like there's heat damage. So this Gutata is going to take for Pinto. Pinto, stop licking the phone. Thankfully, he's not covering the camera screen. He's just covering. All right, so see, here's this. This is Gutata Brecco Leopard. Whoa, whoa, you just tilted the box. Can we get out of the box? Brecco Leopard by AMAOS by Cross itself. And kitten, what are you doing? Can you get out? No. This is very difficult. There does, I don't know. The leaves look like there might be a little bit of heat damage that happened during transit. It's very small. So Gutata's pretty big. So this is years, like 10 years away from blooming. All right, to put the things up so Pinto can eat them. Oh, and because he has, no, Pinto, get your paws off. I also ordered 2 Richard Mueller by Labiatas because he had them, and I got 2 from High Desert Orchids last year or earlier this year, but now I just got 2 more. I'm wondering if how they're gonna look. Pinto, get your paws off the phone. They're hard to get out because they taped the bags into this. Bag is taped. All right, so in here is another Richard Mueller and my Leopoldii. So let me show off the Leopoldii, Bartholomew. So this is the Richard Mueller, and this is the Leopoldii Bartholomew. I thought the coloring on the Bartholomew is very interesting. It doesn't have spots, but it seems like it might have flares. So, all right, you know, you're gonna like fall right off. Small kitten, small kitten. Whoa! That's what happens with kittens. They just pitch themselves off of things. There, oh gosh, they're all taped in here. So what he did is he took the tape and then he taped it to the foam insulation. Okay, so here's 3 all taped together. There's, oh, and I got a free plant. Ooh, haha, let's see what free plant I got. This whole thing's gonna pitch onto the ground. I'm sure of it. Not well balanced. And trying to. Alright, what is my free plant? Oh, there's probably other rubber bands lost here somewhere. So my free plant is, I wasn't expecting a free plant, but yes, it says, no charge, thank you. Oh, I got it at Kimi Hanada, Brazil by Contago. I bought this previously. It has spots and flares. It looks like it'll be very interesting, but it's tiny. Look at how small it is. Again, I think many years from blooming. But the whole goal of these is, I really like seedlings and I want to grow them up. I want to grow crosses up and I want to see what the flowers look like. And I'm hoping that some of these will be award quality and I can take them to judging. I don't know yet. This is my new experiment in growings, is to grow things up and see how they are from a judging perspective, since that's my new orchid adventure. Being a student judge. All right, so and I'll show the Clandia, which is also tiny. I've like my first paper is going to be on a Clandia, and of course then I went on a 4N Clandia buying spree. But I'm telling you that all these Clandia are so far from blooming. It's not even funny. Okay, so I have 2 4N Clandia crosses right here. That's just it's a Clandia Super Spots by Self. If I can get them out. Did he tape the inside of these containers? Oh, there we go. So you see how small that is. So, super, oh, kitty, you're gonna fall. And so there's 2 there. Muffy talking. Oh, what have you just thrown onto the ground? No, don't eat the tape. Don't eat the tape. Don't eat the tape. It's like you gotta save a kitten from herself. You gotta save the kitten from herself. Whoa, whoa. All right. So I'm letting her out because she has no other kitten playmates, and we're trying to do socialization. Except I think really the goal here for her is to kill herself by causing things to fall on top of her and crush her. Though I guess orchids are pretty light and she will not be crushed. But yes, anybody want to adopt a kitten? No, don't steal the bag. Don't steal the bag. Bags are bad. Bags are bad. No bag, no bag, no bag, no bag. No, oh! No bag. No bag, no bag, no bag, no bag. I don't really think she listens. No, that's a piece of bark. You can't have the bark. Okay, so this is, oh, I got a Dendrobium microchip because it's he called it mini flares. I'm just intrigued. It's mini flares by itself, and I'm wondering if it has actual flares instead of that sort of light striping that you see on a lot of mini chips. Oh, I must have gotten 4 Aclandiae 4N Aclandiaes in hopes of getting one that's actually 4N. I'm assuming these are like colchicine treated. Or, oh, maybe it's a 4N cross. It's a 4N cross itself. I'm sorry. It's a 4N. It's not colchicine treated. Anyways, I'm hoping to get the big, fat petals and sepals that you see in 4N Aclandiae. That's the goal with those. I have no idea. I mean, I guess the only way to really do this is to get a flask and grow up a flask. I don't think I'm good enough to grow up a flask with Aclandiae since I can barely keep them alive. So here's another Aclandiae, and then another Gutata Brecco, and then okay. I guess it was sturdier this way to tape it, but oh my gosh, so difficult. And I got a second Leopoldii Barflammea, and I got an intermediate Equini Barcerulia in here. So those are all very small. Please don't eat the plant, Skitty. So there we go. That's this unboxing, I think, and the disaster that is trying to do this with a 5-month-old foster kitten. So I'm going to repeat again, is available for adoption. She's very cute. She's very cute and acquisitive. You want a kitten. You want a kitten to bother your orchids. And that's it.